Hi guys, welcome back to the status report for um, the Public Education Management System project. This is week 8, and as we can see right here, we are good. So far, we have implemented a database on the server. We have updated the web service to actually access the database for data. We're continuing implementing functionality and accessing data and getting feedback, and we have done some testing. So on top of that, we also worked on the maintenance plan. So the document is there, you can go through and read it. But basically what I'm trying to do is for the different areas, I'm trying to offer different payments options for the clients. I'm offering a monthly service agreement as well as a per job or incident or per hour charge, depending on where it makes sense. Of course, this can be improved, and I hope I will get some feedback that I can actually improve this maintenance plan and use it in real life. Okay, besides that, this is the database design. It's an actual database design on the server. We can see the different tables and relationships. So you can see that it's really true. The database is being implemented. We have users on the system. Some of them are students. Some of them are teachers. There are different type of users. And those students have enrollments on certain courses with certain teacher at certain school. So you can see right there the relationship. There is data on the table. So if I query, for example, the users table, you'll be able to see a couple of users. Some of them are students, some of them are not, like Angel 1111 and Cindy 2222. Those two are students. And then there are some employees and teachers actually, such as George and Melinda. So we implemented the code, the sufficient code to make the web service calls to get the user information with enrollment and everything else. And you can actually see that it's going through the API and making the call and getting the students information for a specific student, and passing if I need the full information and the token for security purpose and so on. Once I have the user information, I get the addresses in an asynchronous way, and eventually I get the enrollment for that student as well on the different controllers. I just want you to see that on the private portal, once I log in, there is no longer hard-coded data. Everything is really coming from the server. So if I go to the to the student or to the actual grid of enrollments, you see that I don't longer have hard-coded data. It's actually coming from the server. The same thing that if I go to the school information or the student information, everything is not hard-coded. It's actually reading whatever user first name, whatever user last name, and so on. So if I run this application, and right now it's currently running and it's connected to the database, I can see right here, let me refresh it. I can see right here the website, and if I go to the portal, I click my login and I enter the valid login ID and password. For 1111 should be Angel. So once I click login, you can see that it's actually putting the information for Angel, the school information for Angel, as well as the courses. Math level 2, history and C# beginning for Angel with the appropriate teachers and rooms and time and all that. If I happen to log in with a different ID, for example 2222 and the password 123, it's actually Cindy, and Cindy is getting a different list of courses and so on. So now the data is actually coming from databases. It's not hard-coded anymore. So the functionality on this application is being implemented pretty much most of it now. I got to work, of course, on messaging and formatting and user testing and unit testing and a lot of things that are still missing to fine-tune and improve quality on this product. I think that's pretty much it. So thank you guys. Any advice or opinions will be appreciated. Thank you.